We're living in the time where artificial intelligence is capable of almost everything, and the internet is saying they are afraid of one day they are gonna replace us all and rule the world. Guys, this is actually horrible.
For a kid's book,
AI can't rule the world because its knowledge is based on human, so it can't have natural instincts.
like us human.
On the contrary, it will help us to improve our lives' qualities better. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, I will give you 5 free AI websites that will change your life. So, I won't be wasting any time soon. Let's get right into it. Whether you need to write a blog post, draft some social media captions, or even generate ideas for content, this AI website has you covered, and it's super user-friendly too. Here's how it works. Just tell it what kind of content you need, whether that's an article outline, product description, email draft, or something else entirely. You can either start from scratch or use one of their pre-built templates and example. This is a crazy cool site that lets you redesign any room with AI. To snap that drab living room, just say make it modern and bright, and bam, it 3D renders will show the transformed space. Want to try a rustic vibe or a total color swap? It's your call. This awesome site lets you create your own legit music tracks with AI. No instruments or music skill required. Just pick a genre you're digging like hip hop, rock, or pop. Then it will compose an original songs for you. Another AI website that allows you to remove the vocals. Just upload your song file. It will then split into 2 tracks, one with only music instrumentals and one with only the vocal line. Now you got an instant karaoke version to sing over. Or if you prefer, you can isolate just the vocal track on its own. Maybe you want to remix it with a new beat or simply learn the lyrics and melody more easily. Imagine you've written out a script or a story you want to turn into a video, whether it's an instruction for a product, school project, or a short film script. Whatever it is, you just paste that text into this AI website. From there, the AI does all the hard work of actually turning those words into visuals and audio. It will automatically generate characters that looks like real people, animate their mouths to speak the lines from your script, and create a whole video scenes around the action you describe. No fancier equipment, filming crew, or editing skill required on your part. Just write it out like a little screenplay and let Studio these ideas handle animating and rendering it into a complete video file. And this is the end of the video. I hope this helps. This is AI Fire, and I'll see you in the next video.